If you want to block a contact or a phone number on iPhone 16e, what you can do is, for example, you can go to the phone app. If you want to block a phone number that recently tried to reach you or you reach them, you can simply tap on this eye icon on the right side. And then here we have block caller. So you can tap on this option in order to block the specific phone number. If you have a phone number saved in contacts, then you can go to the contact, scroll down in order to also find block caller. Now, in addition to that, you can tap, for example, go to the messages app. You can select the conversation with the phone number that sent you a text or you sent them a text. You can tap on the profile, go to info over here on the right side, and you can also find the block caller option and then confirm your choice. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!